Hey. Okay, go pet him. Go pet him. Go pet him. Kiss him. There you go. Has he been in any dog commercials? No. No, not yet. I think. Wait. I think he wants a wrench.
Yeah.
Do you want a wrench? Do you want a wrench?
Only if you can chew it up.
Okay.
Bloodhound.
He's the one that they come chasing after you when you've been bad.
He's in training for search and rescue right now.
No, that's a mega bloodhound.
So he's in training for search and rescue right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Huh?
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
I like how they bark. They go woo.
Oh yeah.
Woo.
You can hear it a long ways away.
At least we know he's trained. No way. It can't be hailing.
Yeah, it's hailing.
Holy snot, really? It is hailing. Look at that, I got it on video.
Thank
That's you again.
Yeah, it's me again.
Man, I got all that on one video. I can't believe it. I can't believe that.
Oh, it's hailing big time.
I know the hails too. I know the hails. It's okay, I know the hails. I gotta see this. Oh man, holy snot. That'll actually show up on video. It's gotta be really heavy to show. Man alive. Yeah, I see it coming off that roof over there. Did you see me open up that door over there? It's the roof. The roof is just...
Oh, yeah.
Amazing. All right. Hey, that's funny. That's hilarious. Your shirt says "I love rain." Did you see their hail out there?
No, that was hail.
Yeah.
I don't really like rain.
But you like hail, right?
Nope.
Why does it say "I love rain"?
This is one of those shirts that I bought because there was nothing on my size. It is the only on my size. So
Is that a 3X?
2X.
Oh, I was close.
Yeah.
All right.